So today we will continue with the topic of kinds of sentences, right? And we'll solve parts H and I of the grammar books. I'm sure you must be keeping your grammar books with you, right? I'm going to share the screen with you all. Let me stop annotation, otherwise you'll start playing. Okay. So kinds of sentences. We have done yesterday, I told you to do these parts. Change the group of words into meaningful sentences by adding some words to them. So for example, यहाँ लिखा है the teachers are. Now subject is given, verb is given, you just need to complete the sentence. The teachers are taking online classes these days. कुछ भी हो सकता है. The teachers are very nice everywhere. So you can complete your sentences in the way you like them to be. Okay, like suppose this is a switch, word is switch, and you have to make a command. So you could say, switch on the lights, please. Switch on the geyser, please. Okay, whatever. So whatever you want. So this was to complete it yourself, and then the F part, you have to put the capital letters and the full stop wherever necessary. So you remember the rules of punctuation to do this part. I hope you all must have done it. Today, let's brush up quickly with the kinds of sentences. So that day we entered, we did that there are 4 kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences? The 4 kinds of sentences. And what are they? They are the declarative sentence. Declarative means just the informatory sentences, those which give information. And declarative sentences are also known as assertive, right? And positive sentences are also assertive, right? So declarative are just the information. For example, see, he is very honest. Now it's just information that he is honest, and it is ending with a full stop. Second kind of sentence was जो हमने पढ़ा था interrogative. Interrogative means the question. Interrogative means the question, right? Questions में मैंने आपको क्या बताया था? Wherever, all those statements, wherever we require some command, like answers to be given back. जो भी बोल रहा है क्वेश्चन, वो चाहता है कि मुझे उसके बदले में आंसर मिले. We expect an answer from that, right? So that all those statements where we are expecting an answer would be question statements, right? They would be questions. Then third was imperative. Imperative. Imperatives are all those commands, requests, advice, suggestions, orders. ये जितने भी हैं, जब हम इस तरह के sentences बनाते हैं where we are either requesting or commanding or suggesting, then that will be a kind of imperative sentence. And imperative sentence also ends with full stop. Like, give me some milk, please. Now it's a request, but it will be an imperative kind. कौन से kind का sentence है? Imperative. And the last was exclamatory. Exclamatory. Exclamatory means those expressions where we are just putting our feelings. We want the reader or the listener to understand the feelings as well. The sudden expressions. Like when I say, wow, what a lovely flower it is. So जब मैंने बोला, आपने देखा मेरा expression भी change हुआ. So I am going to end such sentences with a sign of exclamation, and such sentences will be called exclamatory sentences. और अगर आपको याद हो तो मैंने आपको बताया था क्वेश्चन वर्ड से चाहे शुरू हो रहे हैं, बट इट इज नॉट अ क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि ये देखो वर्ब लास्ट में आ रहा है और इसके बाद क्वेश्चन वर्ड के बाद क्या है? एडजेक्टिव. ब्यूटीफुल इज एडजेक्टिव. व्हाट अ सिली, सिली इज एडजेक्टिव, राइट? और अगर आप इसको क्वेश्चन होता है तो ये ऐसे होता है, हाउ इज द रेनबो. ये क्वेश्चन है. बट अगर मैं बोलूं हाउ ब्यूटिफुल द रेनबो इज, दिस इज exclamatory, right? Okay. So now today again, because we already have done, 2 दिन से हम concepts को revise कर रहे हैं, आज हम exercises पे focus करेंगे. और जैसे हमने पहले किया था, I will be calling names and I will allow you all to unmute yourself. लेकिन जब तक मैं unmute के लिए नाम ना बोलूं कि बेटा आप बोलो आंसर, वही बच्चा अनम्यूट करेगा. अगर सब अनम्यूट करके बीच में आंसर्स देंगे तो वो फिर में प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. ठीक है? सो नोबडी शैल स्पीक विदाउट हियरिंग हिज और हर नेम. बिफोर आई स्टार्ट, आई वांट टू गिव यू एन एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस. सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ आप मुझे बताएंगे. नाउ एच पार्ट, द क्वेश्चन इज use these words in sentences of your own. इन वर्ड्स को सेंटेंसेस में यूज करो, राइट? नाउ बट नॉट ओनली सिंगल सेंटेंस यू आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू मेक, you need to make 4 sentences for each word. 4 sentences for each word. That means one of them should be an assertive sentence, other should be interrogative, next should be imperative, and the fourth one should be exclamatory. That means हमें एक word से 4 kinds के sentences बनाने हैं. तो जिसकी भी टर्न आएगी, I give you 1 minute of thinking. जल्दी से carefully का आप लोग सब सोच के बैठ जाएं कि carefully में first kind, second kind, third kind और fourth kind के sentences में क्या बनाऊंगा. Enjoy का मैं बताती हूँ. Like enjoy. Now first sentence in enjoy. I enjoy listening to music. Now this is information. Enjoy word आ गया मेरे sentence में. I enjoy listening to music. So this is which kind of sentence? Declarative, because it's just giving information. उसके बाद मुझे बनाना है question, right? Did you enjoy party last night? Now अब मैंने question लिया और enjoy भी आ गया. Did you enjoy my birthday party last night? Right? Now I have to use word in the command. Enjoy yourselves. Enjoy yourselves, please. Now it's a command. Maybe somebody is at party, maybe somebody is at my home, and I'm saying enjoy yourselves. Request kar rahi hu, and it's like command. It's an imperative, right? Okay. Then I have to make exclamatory. Now I have to think, because exclamatory. It's difficult, है ना? Enjoy को exclamatory से use करना है. How enjoyful हो सकता है? What enjoyment हो सकता है? Enjoy को कैसे use करेंगे? किसी के दिमाग में आ रहा है? I could just say enjoy. That could be the exclamatory, no? But what a great joy हो सकता है. Enjoy के लिए I have to use some other way. Okay, Nikhil has raised hand. Let us listen to his sentence. Maybe he has a better sentence than us. Wait, Nikhil, I need to stop the sharing here. Need to give the controls to your people. Wait, Nikhil. Nikhil, where are you? Yes, Nikhil, unmute yourself and speak.
Yeah, I have enjoyed that party.
Okay, वेरी नाइस. आपने उस तरह से, बिकॉज एंजॉय का कोई डायरेक्ट सेंटेंस तो बन नहीं रहा है, सो आई हैव टू जस्ट एक्सप्रेस जैसे आपने एक्सप्रेस किया. मैं सोच रही थी कोई और बन जाता, लाइक ओके निखिल सेड यस कॉमा आई एंजॉय द पार्टी. ना उसके बाद एक्सक्लेमेशन, लेकिन ये डायरेक्ट वो नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस नहीं बना. सो व्हाट अ ग्रेट जॉय तो बन रहा है. ओके, लेट्स एंजॉय. Yes, now this could be the sentence. Let's enjoy the party. Now अब यहाँ पे हमने exclamation लगा दिया. So now this could be a better sentence. Okay, so this way we have to think. अब हम सिर्फ carefully का इस time करेंगे, बाकी sincere, wisdom and myself आप copy में खुद बनाएंगे, right? We'll discuss only carefully. Okay, now I ask Shiny to make a declarative sentence on carefully. चलिए Shiny, unmute yourself. Shiny? Yes. Shiny, speak the answer. आपने वीडियो भी प्ले नहीं किया हुआ है. Shiny, is there any problem? Your voice is not coming. I think your network is not good. Daksh, you tell the answer, please. Daksh Kadyan. Daksh Kadyan. Hurry up. No? Okay, Shashank, you do it. You make a declarative sentence on carefully.
Ma'am, she carefully lifted an egg. She
Okay,
carefully lifted an egg.
perfect. She carefully lifted an egg. Very nice. Manish Malik, command बनाए. Make an imperative sentence.
Ma'am, with enjoy,
No, with carefully.
carefully.
Yes.
Be stay carefully with the strangers.
दोबारा बोलो.
Be stay carefully with the strangers.
बी के साथ केयरफुल आएगा, ठीक है ना? केयरफुली नहीं आएगा बिकॉज इट्स एन एडवर्ब. तो आपको बोलना पड़ेगा
Be stay careful.
deal carefully with the strangers. Deal carefully with the strangers.
Stranger.
Okay. Then Kanika, unmute yourself, make a question.
And which?
Carefully, using carefully, you have to make a question.
And be carefully.
अरे question बनाना है. You have to ask a question. Nancy is
Ma'am.
raising hand. Nancy, you tell beta.
Ma'am.
Wait.
Drive carefully.
That's a command. Drive carefully. That's an imperative sentence. You have to make a
Ma'am.
question.
He didn't
Ma'am.
write carefully in notebook.
Again, this is an informatory sentence. He did not write carefully in the notebook. ये तो एक information हो गई.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait, Nikhil. ये तो एक expression हो गया ना, simple information. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, बोलो. हाँ जी बोलो.
are you stay carefully with in the party?
Yes. Are you? Do you stay? Are you carefully? नहीं. Are you carefully नहीं आएगा. आप दोबारा बोलो.
Ma'am, are you stay carefully?
Stay carefully. No. Stay careful होगा. Did you listen to ma'am carefully? ये हो सकता है. Did you listen to ma'am carefully during the lecture? अब यहाँ because carefully is an adverb. Carefully क्या है? Adverb. तो वो action के साथ ही आएगा. Listen carefully. है ना? So did you listen carefully? You need to be very careful while making the sentence on carefully. ठीक है? Careful is adjective. Carefully is adverb. Okay. Now I think this is going to take time. इसको आप कोशिश करेंगे घर पे, right? पांचों sentences को. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
आपने that means आपने first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 5 4s are 20 हो गए. 20 के 20 sentences copy में लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. What you could do is you can make the sentences on sincere, wisdom and myself in copy. Carefully enjoy तो हम already discuss कर चुके हैं. ठीक है? So you can write only 4 3s are 12 sentences in your copy, right? 4 on sincere, 4 on wisdom and 4 on myself, but make sure they should one sentence each on each kind. ठीक है? Now this is an easy one. I part, इसको फटाफट करते हैं and then we'll end the class. Okay, write AS for assertive, IN for interrogative, IM for imperative and EX for exclamatory. So सबसे पहले मुझे कौन आंसर देगा? तुषार अरोड़ा. Unmute yourself और first answer दो. Spoken words have a great power. Now which kind of sentence it is?
नहीं कर सकता.
Spoken words have great power. Which kind of sentence?
Okay.
Hurry up. तुषार अरोड़ा.
Spoken word.
मनसिमरन आप बताइए. इतना टाइम थोड़ी लगता है तुषार. Hurry up. मनसिमरन आप क्या कर रहे हो? Be ready with the answers. Okay, Saksham is raising hand. Saksham, you tell.
Ma'am, assertive.
दोबारा बोलो.
Assertive.
No, it's not assertive or okay. Spoken words are fine. Assertive, correct. So I have to write AS. Book में साथ साथ लिखते जाएं. Okay. Next, who will tell next? How bitterly we may have to regret carelessly spoken words. Nikhil Khairana, unmute yourself. Hurry up. निखिल तुम्हारा ना नेटवर्क ठीक नहीं होता है. हरी अप.
मैम
हाँ,
exclamatory.
करेक्ट. ओके यशिका, नेक्स्ट योर टर्न. यशिका,
मैम
एंड स्पीक द नेक्स्ट. साथ के साथ म्यूट कर लें प्लीज निखिल. यशिका बोलो बेटा. Third answer, have you ever faced a situation like this? Which kind of sentence is this?
Ma'am, declarative.
Declarative है ये. लास्ट में देखो ये क्या लगा हुआ है? क्वेश्चन मार्क. लास्ट में क्या लगा हुआ है?
मैम interrogative.
Yes, this is interrogative. IN. Okay. Next answer, Shashank. Next answer, Shashank.
Think twice before. Imperative.
Think twice before. Yeah, it's a advice. So imperative. Correct. Imperative. Next, Shanbir. Shanbir, unmute yourself. Shanbir and Birjot.
Ma'am,
My favorite TV program is about to begin. Huh?
acceptive.
Very good. Assertive. Next, Birjot, you give the answer. Don't spend too much time on watching TV. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't spend so much time watching television. Now, what kind of sentence is this?
Ma'am, imperative.
Very good. Imperative. Imperative नहीं बोलते, क्या बोलते? Imperative. Okay. Ati, next answer, Ati. Wait, I will just give you. Shanbir साथ के साथ ना mute कर लिया करें. Wait, Ati, I need to find it you out. Wait. कहाँ गई एती? Okay, Ati, unmute yourself. Beta. Give the next answer.
Ma'am, which question?
Never, seventh one. Never judge a person from his.
तेरी भी है 8-20 पे तेरी 9 बजे
Never
Imperative.
judge.
Imperative.
Yes, it is imperative because we are just giving an advice. Imperative. Okay. Venika, next answer. Venika, unmute yourself and answer.
Some people with plan look maybe.
Yes, some people with plain looks may be very intelligent. Now, ये क्या है? Which kind of sentence is this? Hurry up, Venika.
Ma'am,
Yes, it is
assertive.
assertive. Very right. Assertive. Okay. Last, Shiny, unmute yourself. Shiny, क्या बोला आपने?
I'm interrogative.
Interrogative. Very right. Correct. Last, Jagrit. Wait, I'll give you permission to unmute. Now unmute. Yes, speak.
Ma'am, exclamatory.
Correct. So this was all exercise on the different kinds of sentences and you were all correct making the guess right. Okay. So will you all be doing it? Complete हो गया सबका साथ के साथ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, if you look carefully, the J part is your homework. This I want you have to start with the underlined word. You have to start with the underlined word. For example, it's going to be difficult. It's not simple sentences like cluttered bed, your, how, table, and look. You have to make exclamatory sentences out of this, right? So exclamatory sentences out of it. तो कैसे? You have to start with the word how. So how के बाद क्या लगेगा? Adjective. तो ये है adjective. How cluttered, फिर आप object पे, subject पे आ जाए. How cluttered your bed and table look. बस H capital, right? How cluttered your book and table look. और look पे खत्म होगा, right? और उसके बाद हम क्या डाल देंगे? Exclamation. Right? You have to arrange these double words into the kind of sentence indicated in the bracket. Right? अगर उसमें exclamatory लिखा है तो आपको इन words को arrange करना है exclamatory sentence में. Okay, that's all for the day. ठीक है? Somebody has started saying me bye bye.